bolnika predvsem s dotikom pomirimo, mu dokažemo, da nam je nekaj zanj. Velikokrat pridejo k zdravniku s strahom. Če ga ti pobožaš, boš postavil neko zaupanje, ki ga mislim, da drugače mogoče ne bi. Pokažeš, tako kot sem že rekla, mar mi je za vas, za vaše zdravje, mar mi je za izhod vaše bolezni. Dotik pa ni samo to, za svojega to vzamejo. In resnično potem bolj verjamejo, ti bolj zaupajo, bolje sodelujejo pri zdravljenju.
I think it's great to recognize good physicians. I think COVID times has proven to us that science is absolutely critical for our health. And as a company, Merck is very proud to be associated with this event. Very well done, very professional. Thank you very much.
This is life. A moment of joy. A dream come true. All pure love. A tiny breakthrough. Or maybe a triumph. A constant struggle. A clash of ideas. We can make a difference. Create the new, the unexpected. Leading us to feel great, strong, or simply human. Constantly questioning, are we curious enough? Could we be closer? Can we? Can you feel it?